Okay, hello. So, you might know me from the quitted human being, the person who basically quit. And I just wanted to say that I'm going to be restarting my whole channel. So basically deleting all this crap. And basically I was just like checking videos to see if like I had something to reply with. Of course, just checking my speed paint, all of that. So here's this one. This one's fine, of course. So I then came up to I know one day meme. I think it's little twat. Mariah. Here's what this is what the meme said. We're still not friends after what you did to me. You destroyed my life, Tyson. If you can't see, that's a black heart right there. And I replied to her, she replied back. And I was like, woman, you literally manipulated me my whole life. Came up with lies such as I saved your life by telling your sister to grab a knife and throw at him. That was bullshit. I forgave you how many fucking times? A lot, yes. I saw your comment telling whatever to mock me. What the actual fuck, Mira, have moved on, have many friends, blah 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 blah. Hey, so much, blah 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 blah, blah blah. And I'm just replying with who the bleep said I hated you at. And the reasons why having spelling mistakes is because I'm rushing and I have to go somewhere for if Muslim. Anyways, that's all. Please do not hate anyone in this video. This was only just to clear things, just to clear stuff. Because she just said, well, I'm not surprised how your ex-friend told me you hated me. Well, no one, I don't have that many ex-friends. I only have like about one. So I'm not sure what she's on about, but I'm gonna see you later. Bye. Boobas, I guess. Bye, lovelies.